Transferring money from Natwest to Gcash is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Sign up for a service that facilitates transfers between international bank accounts and mobile wallets. Examples include Wise, Zoom, and World Remit. Next, link your Natwest account and Gcash account to the chosen service. Follow the specific process of the chosen service to initiate the transfer. This typically involves entering the amount, choosing currencies, and confirming details. Be aware of the service fees and processing times, which may vary depending on the amount and currencies involved. Be aware of any fees associated with these transfers, and note that processing times may vary. Pay attention to currency conversion if your Natwest account and Gcash account use different currencies. Check with Natwest and Gcash for the most recent and accurate information on their services and supported transfer methods.